Meaning of ginger snap.
Ginger snap.
Ginger snap.
Ginger snap.
Ginger snap. A ginger snap is a type of cookie that originated in Europe, typically made with molasses, ginger, cinnamon, and cloves. The dough is rolled into small balls and then flattened before baking, resulting in a crisp and crunchy texture with a spicy, sweet flavor. Ginger snaps are often enjoyed as a snack or used as a dessert ingredient, such as in crusts for pies or as a topping for ice cream. In some cultures, ginger snaps are also considered to have medicinal properties and are believed to aid digestion and reduce nausea.